Usually, when you sit to study, you get easily distracted by something and go to watch a video on YouTube for how to study or what exactly have to be done before studying. So here are 10 basic and useful things which can make you to study with perfection. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Eliminate all your distractions. The thing which make you to get always distracted is commonly your mobile phones. The notifications or any new things that reach your phone which forces your brain to check them. So before you study, try to switch off your phone or leave your phone aside and then you get to study. Tip number 2. Choose your place. The most important thing to study better is the place where you actually study. Choose a place where you can concentrate more. If you are distracted again, then change your place. Try to look out for a peaceful place to study. Tip number 3. Clear your stress. Before going to study, first reduce your stress and other thoughts. Take a deep breath and relax. Do this for 5 to 6 times, which makes you to feel better than before. If you don't believe this, try it now. Tip number 4. Try to take small breaks. You can't just go and study for hours and hours. Give a small break to your brain so that it functions well. If you studied for 30 to 45 minutes, take a 5 or 10 minutes break. Then repeat it again. This will really help you to complete the subject. Tip number 5. Stay hydrated. It is known that on an average, a person should drink 8 liters of water every day. So try to keep a water bottle beside your study table and try to sip some water whenever you get confused. If you want to study for long hours, then I prefer you to take some tea or coffee. Tip number 6. Choose your music. If you are disappointed or not willing to study, then go for peaceful music which relaxes you. Listening to deep instrumental music is the best. In short, if you want to study effectively, then the link is in the description below, so check it out. Tip number 7. Make your notes. Whatever you study should be kept in your mind. So in order to do it, the best way is putting down everything on the paper, so that you can revise the topic easily. Tip number 8. Organize yourself. Before you go to study, organize yourself that what you will be going to study today. Set up some time to complete that subject. You can give a timing of 3 to 4 hours daily for evening studies. Tip number 9. Imagine. If something is very tough to understand, then draw it or imagine it. Imagination can make you to analyze the things clearly. If you can't or not supposed to imagine, then go for drawing it. Mostly, drawings can be remembered for a long time. Tip number 10. Exercise. If you want to study with full concentration, then before you study, go for some simple physical exercise. This will allow your blood flow smoothly. The brain functions well and you can concentrate more. So if these tips were helpful to you, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now. Thank you.